Hey, this is the tutorial for the keyword and hashtag search feature on Snowball. Let's get right into it. So you're going to see here keyword, hashtag. You can toggle between each one, whichever one you want to use. Let's start off with the keyword. So this is a search across all of TikTok. You can have multiple words. A phrase is used best. Let's say I'm a up-and-coming soda brand. I'm a content agency working with a soda brand, and we want to make sure that we can come up with some awesome content. So I'm going to put in healthy soda brand, United States. You can also change the filter. I'm going to keep it at all time, and you can start your search. All right, the search is done, and you can see here it gives me a host of videos. If I just hover over any video, it'll start playing, and I can also click into the video, and you'll see here it's going to give me a hook, summary, why it performed, attributes to copy, hooks to test, and all sorts of great things just for that specific video. However, I want to make a content plan based off of high performing videos of this search. Of course, here in table view mode, you can adjust columns. You can also change filters for specific things. I want to have a high engagement rate, so I'm going to click here. And these are the top ones. I'm going to take the top 5. So I'll click here. And from there, I can create a content plan. Now, custom prompt. Again, I'm just going to explain what I'm trying to do with these videos. So I'm going to put here, I am creating my own healthy soda brand. My goal is to create UGC style videos for any age. And then you just generate analysis. And Snowball just created an entire content plan for you with top hooks, gaps to test, actionable blueprints. And remember, this is just for those 5 videos. You could have made this content plan for your entire search or just even one video. And it's going to show some do's in which if you're looking for engagement rate or reach or share rate, some thought processes behind how to get those objectives, along with some evidence and examples. You can look at the videos here. You can open it up there, and then entire outlines clicking here with hooks, opening shots, content outlines, you name it. And that's how you use keyword search. Now, we're going to switch back over. We're going to come back to the search page. We're going to use hashtag. And this time, I want to actually copy some UGC strategies. So I'm going to use a hashtag partner, which a lot of brands and companies use for their UGC programs. Let's say Olipop partner. So when I search for hashtag Olipop partner, you're going to see what happens. All right, so the hashtag search is complete. Let's check it out here. And just like before, we're going to be able to do all of the same things that we did prior, which is go through all of these videos. We can individually click on them. As you're going to see, a lot of these are UGC style videos, partnerships with Olipop. Let's see here. And tags. You can also then go to the table. And just like last time, you can choose what videos you want to create a plan for. So the inspiration is endless depending on what you want to do with the keyword and hashtag search. Thanks.